Okay guys, so in this session we will discuss about the copying and comparing structure variables. So anyone can answer me what is object? Anyone? We have already discussed this, right?
It's like a variable which we use to access the data members of the structure.
Perfect. Perfect. So the object is nothing but the variable through which we access the data members of that particular structure. Now see, we can copy this type of variables and we can also compare this type of variables. I just give you one example. So let me share the screen. Okay, can you see this whiteboard, guys? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So this we are going to discuss copying and comparing the structure variable. So as we have already discussed about the term object, which is related with the structure. So if I say, if I say that I have a structure student which has S1, S2 and S3 objects. Also we call them variables. Now let's say that let's draw this S1, S2 and S3, and this is my S1, S2 and S3. Now see what we are discussing, guys. We are discussing how to copy and how to compare this type of variables. Okay, so now I have S1. S1 roll number of S1 is and okay, let me write over here that here we have three data members: role, name and gender. Three data members we have. Now the value for the S1 101, the name, let's say J, gender M. Now let's talk about the S2. S2 roll number 101, name J, gender M. Now S3, sorry, this should be roll number 2, sorry. The S3 103, let's say Neha and F. Now my question, is it possible that in a single class we have two same name? Yes, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
It
Yes,
is
ma'am.
possible, right? In the one class we have two students with the same name. Like here we have roll number 101 and 102. Both are different. Both are different student. This is student 1 and student 2, but they have same name. Also gender is same, of course. So now this type of things are possible in the structure, and so we can copy and compare them. So first we will talk about the comparison. So how to compare the things, guys? Which operators you can use if you want to compare something? Everyone?
Equal
Which
to equal to.
yeah, when we are talking about the comparing, means one possibility is equal, 1 greater than, or
Less than.
less than, right? So these are the three, or not equal to. So these four possibilities we have. So when I say that we are comparing the variables, we means we can use not equal to, double equal to, greater than, and less than, depending on the data type of the members, right? If I say equal to, for any, like name, for name I cannot use the greater than and less than, right? But if I talk about the marks, I can use this greater than and less than signs, right? So yes, it is possible to write, see this, S1 is equal to S2. So I can check S1 is equal to S2, yes or no?
Yes.
No.
No, because roll number are different. No. But if I say S1 dot name is equal to S2 dot name. Now answer would be
Yes.
yes, right? So this way you can compare the whole object or the particular member functions value, data member values. This we can compare, and so we can say that yes, we can compare the structure variables. Now let's talk about the copying. Okay, let's talk about the copying things. See, here we have S3. In S3, I have 103, Neha, and F. Now, I am creating another object S4. Guys, see it carefully. I have this S3 and I am creating S4. And if I write, see it carefully. If I write okay, if I write S4 equals S3, it means what? It means what? That I am copying value of S3 into S4, because we know that equal to sign we use to assign the value from to from right to left. So now what will happen after writing this statement S4 is equal to S3, I will get data in S4 something like this: 103, Neha, and F. Understood everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is about the copying and comparing structure variables. You can copy object to object, you can copy some particular data member, you can compare all the objects, you can compare some particular data member. So it depends on it depends on yeah, so we can do this thing. It depends on requirement of the program. Understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.